What's up everyone? So recently Kimmy's Creation posted online and I saw her making some strawberry crunch truffles, and when I saw those I was just like, oh my god, those look delicious. I gotta make them. So Kimmy, hey, today we are making your recipe. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, so today we are doing Kimmy's Strawberry Crunch Truffles, but we're going to do hers just a little bit differently. In her truffles, she used cookies all throughout the filling, that's okay, but today we're going to use actual strawberry cake as our truffle base. That's right, strawberry cake with real strawberries in it. It's going to be so good, and going to roll it around in the best white chocolate there is, Ghirardelli, and in the strawberry crunch. Hey, I can't wait, so let's go ahead and get into making them. Today again, we're using the good old food processor. You could do this all by hand mixing it, but I keep telling y'all, food processor makes everything better. Like I said, using strawberry cake. As you can tell, they got the strawberries all in it. And yes, this was a strawberry box mix, but it is what it is. We all grown. And you can use either homemade frosting or store-bought frosting, whichever is your preference. But I'm gonna take the cake, start breaking it up. Just crumble it up into the processor. Start pulsing it until it becomes fine crumbs. Once all processed, using a spoon real quick, your crumbs should look just like this. Processed completely fine. Now it's the part where we start adding in the frosting. The frosting is what's going to bring this together. It's almost like we're making a cake pop pretty much. So I'm going to do a couple tablespoons of frosting. Add more if need be, but the actual recipe will be down in the description. Get it back on and pulse again. And as you can see, it's gonna start getting thick. Once done pulsing, your filling should look like this. Stop dropping. But yes, it should look all together just like that. That's gonna mix together, but yeah, that's how your truffle filling should look. We are now gonna get ready to scoop these out into the balls. Now using the preferred size scoop of your choice, as you can see, we're going for a pretty big scoop. Take the filling, put into the scoop, roll it out, and just do a ball as much as you can. In the palm of your hand, and bam, there you go. One truffle ball all ready. Place it onto your cookie sheet. Of course, with a silicone baking mat, parchment paper, whichever you want to use. Hey, it's all your preference. Alright everyone, now with some of these truffles, I'm going to attempt to be a little fancy. And I'm going to see if I can place a real strawberry, well, an actual strawberry inside the middle of the truffle. So let's see. Go ahead and scoop it out. Let's do a small little indentation in the middle of it. Press the filling around it. Make sure it's sealed good. Then just roll it. Boom. And it actually worked. Once these are all formed, they're going in the freezer for at least 20 to 30 minutes. You want them to stiffen up because we're going to roll them in the chocolate and you don't want them to break apart. So in the freezer, let them stiffen up. At least 30 minutes, preferably 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. All right, balls out the freezer. As you can see, they are plenty stiff. I got my melted white Ghirardelli chocolate and that good old strawberry crunch crumble. Now, if you haven't already seen my video, I do got a video on the channel where I made this by hand. So if you want to know how to make this, hey, go watch that video. This is extremely easy to make. And we're going to use a fork to help submerge this because the fork will help keep chocolate dripping off. So, fork, dip it into the chocolate, twirl it around, cover it up, pick it up, let as much excess drip off as you can. Dump it into the strawberry crunch. Hold it around. tossed around, take it out, and that's what you have. One coated truffle. Now let's go ahead and finish these up. Take the rest of your white chocolate of what you had left, or you can just melt some more. And you might have a few pink pieces in it from the cake, but that's okay. That's more color and decoration. Just gonna do some drizzles on the top of it. And once drizzled with the white chocolate, let the white chocolate harden on top, and then we'll be all done. And boom, there go your strawberry crunch truffle, all done. Just look at that, y'all. Let's go ahead and arrange these on a plate. And boom, there you have it. Strawberry crunch truffles, all complete. Just look at these, y'all. Now let's go ahead and bite into one. Alright, y'all, here we are at the end, and let's finally try one. I'm gonna grab the big boy from off the top. Just go ahead and look at this. Well, let's see if I can get closer. There we go. Actually, as a matter of fact, let me cut into it real quick. And this is how it ended up looking. Not bad. Now let's go ahead and try it. As Kimmy would say, boom. This, y'all, this is it. Y'all, this is it. It's a little messy, but still good. Using actual cake for the truffle filling worked out perfectly. Oh, and then the strawberry in the middle of it, just. You're gonna get crumbs everywhere, but it's fun crumbs. You can literally make these for whenever. Valentine's Day, your girlfriend's birthday party, shoot, a family gathering. Hey, these are the perfect dessert. Well, alright, y'all, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I did Kimmy proud. So Kimmy Creations, if you ever see this, hey, if you approve, let me know. Alright, y'all, I'm about to get ready to head out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video, comment down below, share the video. Hey, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna keep uploading great content like this more and more. Like I said, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment down below. Help boost the video up by liking and commenting it. And hey, we are now 9,000 away from 100K. We almost there. So, alright, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.